Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream homemade easy, a full guide. Start by chilling your base and equipment so everything stays cold as you work. Combine cream, milk, sugar, and flavor, whisking until smooth and sugar dissolves. Cook custard if desired, cool it fully, then churn according to your machine's instructions or freeze with frequent stirring. Taste and adjust sweetness, then harden briefly in the freezer before serving. Start by gathering quality ingredients and the right tools to make the process simple and fun. Measure 2 cups cream, 1 cup milk, sugar to taste, and a pinch of salt for balance. If making custard, gently heat and temper eggs to avoid scrambling while developing richness. Chill the base fully before churning for optimal texture, and keep bowls or canisters very cold to speed freezing and reduce ice crystals. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy after long kitchen sessions and make a fun gift for home cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your technique simple and consistent for reliable homemade ice cream every time. Churn until the mixture coats a spoon thickly, then add cookies or fruit during the last minutes to keep texture even. If you don't have a machine, freeze in a shallow container and stir every 30 minutes until creamy. Finish by packing into a cold container and hardening in the freezer for a short time before scooping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.